Today I'm going to show you how to create subtasks in Jira. Creating subtasks in a task is helpful because you can break it down and you can distribute it to different team members. You can also break it down into smaller, more digestible chunks. So let's go into one of our work items here. I'm going to click on this. This is the work item is called Evaluate Roadmap Success. If you come down over here, you will see subtasks. Now you can also link additional work items here, but what we're doing is adding a subtask. Okay, and this will give you two options. First of all, you can click on this plus button. This will allow you to create your own subtask. And here you can actually just have the AI that is built into Jira suggest a subtask for you. So if this is giving you an error, you can literally just go in here and add what needs to be done. I'm going to choose phase 1 here. I'm going to just click on that. This is now going to be added as a subtask. You can now actually add in an additional subtask. So let's say phase 2, which is also a subtask, and we are going to add that in here. Now, once you've added it in, you can actually go ahead and you can click on it. You'll be able to assign different members to it. You'll be able to change the priority of it, and then you can also go ahead and change the status, and you'll see right over here that there are different statuses.